Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, I'm throwing you right in the middle of it, but we just had shots fired with these dirt bikes taking off in the area
Turn your vehicle
of the
off and step
police
off.
station here, so we got him at gunpoint. I do have my dog right next to me. Theo, watch him.
Hey, we might have to move up a bit.
Theo, sit.
Gray shirt, white helmet. Step off the bike. Side step to your left 2 times and go down on your knees.
4316, I'm gonna be primary.
Gray shirt, step off the bike.
Dirt
Side
bike,
step to your left 2 times
gray
and go down on your
shirt,
knees.
male, white helmet. 2009, show me secondary on that. We're gonna be taking a ray on District Boulevard heading north.
Step 2 times to the left.
What do I do?
Gonna be taking a
Hey,
left
sir,
on
comply.
San Andreas Avenue.
Face away and step to the left.
Sir, I do have a dog. I will release it.
Summer Street,
I will release the dog, sir.
Why would you release a dog on me?
You're not listening to
Continue
command,
straight on
sir.
Summer
I
Street.
love dogs.
Do not
Turn
walk
around,
through
put your hands up, and go down to your knees. If you do not listen, I'm going to stick the dog on you, sir. This is your last warning. Turn around and put your hands up.
Hey, blue shirt.
2045, where you at?
Sir, I'm going to give you one more chance to turn around and put your hands up.
User
Summer
disconnected.
Street.
Put your hands above your head.
Postal fee 99,
Get on your
upmost
knees.
side.
Me.
Disregard,
Put
gonna
your
be
hand, both of you.
continuing
Put your
east.
hands above your head.
Gonna be taking a ray, we're gonna be
Go,
going
go.
past Mission
Now
Road
get down
this
on your
time.
knees.
I'm not getting on my knees.
Go down to your knees,
Primary
sir.
unit left side.
Get on your knees. You can get
Somewhere in the
down
area
and
of Mission
sit
Row.
You're gonna tase a 15-year-old with a heart condition?
Well, okay, why didn't you listen to us?
Why
And
would
that
you
won't have to
tase
happen.
me?
Get on your knees.
Sir,
and
go
you
down
won't be
to your
tased.
knees.
No.
User joined your channel.
I
Go
will
down
not.
to your
No.
knees, sir.
No.
Get on your knees. Do it now.
No.
Blue shirts, get on your knees.
No.
Hey, you don't have a heart condition. You can ride the lightning. Get on your knees now.
You don't know that.
Sir, listen, I do not want to have to release my canine, but if you keep failure to comply, I'm going to have to release the dog. Now go down to your knees.
I can't believe you would release a dog on a 15-year-old.
I will not release him if you listen to me, sir. Go down to your knees. We're trying to avoid that.
Go ahead, do it.
Sir, I'm asking you nicely to go down to your knees.
Your
What
age doesn't matter when you are failing to comply with law enforcement orders. Get on your knees. Do it now.
I'm going to give you one more chance, sir, and I'm going to send in the canine. Go down to your knees.
Why are you
Yeah,
gonna tase a
look at that.
15-year-old? We pulled over and complied.
Because you are failing to comply to a lawful order.
Buddy,
Get on your
buddy.
knees.
What's your name, dude? What's your name? Tell me your name.
Tell
About
me
to
his
find out.
name.
You're not okay. Tell me your name. Why don't you do that? Tell me your name. Buddy, tell me your name.
I am not getting on my knees. I am
What's your
staying
name?
right here
What's your
where
name?
I am.
What's your name?
1327 is now gonna be noticed.
What is your name, dude?
He wants to
I
get
will not.
Hello, buddy. What's your name?
My name is James.
James? James, I'm David. Look, these officers, right, we're trying to do our job, right? We're trying to keep everybody safe, right? We don't want to release a dog. We don't want to tase you, right? Like you said,
Well,
you're 15.
not gonna tase me. I'm
We're
only
not
15. I'm
all
not
right.
doing anything
James,
wrong.
James, can you listen? Can you hear what I have to say for a second? I'll hear you out. James,
Okay.
look, what's happening is we need to do an investigation, right? Yes, you are included in the investigation.
2003.
For some reason, right? James.
Hey,
no,
sir, you
James,
take it.
James,
Say, hey.
James, listen to me,
I'm
James.
James.
James,
Listen,
James.
if
listen
you
to
take
me.
another step, I'm going to
James,
release the
James,
dog.
what's his name? What's his name, James? James, what's his name?
If you
James,
take
what's
another
his name?
step, I'm going to
not
release the
saying
dog.
anything.
James, listen, I need you to get on your knees, please.
No,
Please.
I am not getting on my knees.
Why not? Why not?
Cause I am not.
I'm getting ready to send
James, I
K9
understand.
in.
James, I understand. You do not want to get bit by this dog.
I don't
understand.
care. I'm not doing
James,
anything wrong.
James,
My hands are up. No.
James,
Go down to
we
your
need to
knees,
have a
sir.
conversation with you, James.
Okay,
And this is
you're
how we make sure
talking to me
everything.
right here just fine.
I
Go
understand
down
that.
to
I
your
understand
knees,
that.
sir.
We want to be face to face. We're gonna have a conversation with you face to face like men, right? Now, what needs to happen is that we need to make sure
I'm a
everybody is safe.
teenager.
James, I understand that. I understand that. I have a teenager myself. All right. I don't want you to get hurt. I don't. Right? And in this situation, you're gonna get hurt if you do not listen to what I'm
No,
saying.
I'm not.
James,
I didn't do nothing
James,
wrong.
I understand that, James. Listen, you have to get on your knees so we can make sure that you guys are safe, so we can all be safe. Please, it's not gonna hurt you. It's not
Sir,
gonna
this
ruin
is your
pride.
last chance to go
It's
down
not
to your
gonna ruin
knees, and I'm
pride,
sending the
James.
dog
No,
in.
I'm not getting on my
James,
knees.
it will not ruin your pride. Just
My
get on your
daddy
knees.
told me I go on knees for no man.
I
Theo,
understand
sit
that.
on.
Okay.
James, let me explain this to you.
Ow! Ow!
Heal, Theo. Heal. 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 Heal.
Wow! Why do we need that?
Theo, lay down.
Say your name and go to the team.
What's your name, buddy?
3447, any available medic units? Medic
Hey,
7.
sir, let me explain something to you.
Please could you get you rolled
Mr.
down
James,
to the bridge
I'm
on
looking-
Sushi
Mr.
Boulevard
James,
to
Mr. James,
postal
let me
218.
explain something.
We got
Worst thing
one
that could have
tape
happened to
deployed
you
and one
is
dog
you'd have
bite.
been investigated for the things that we have received calls about, and you'd have more
Respond
than
to
likely
parking.
been released back to the custody of your parents, being that you are a minor. Do you understand that? So you sit here, and what you've done is you've compounded the problem, and you made it much more worse than it needs to be. Now, I understand that you're in a considerable amount of pain, sir.
Hey, can somebody grab me a med bag?
Yep. At the
Yeah, I'll
end of
grab
the
you.
day, I just want you to understand, this is not what we wanted to do. We did not want it to go this way. Can you understand that?
Hey, K91 to medical update. Gentleman's going to have a laceration on his left arm from the dog bite.
Received left arm road. Also 2045 to medic. Be advised, taser deployed on one subject. Doesn't need taser prong removal as well. Received.
sir?
I have. It's gonna be 15.
What's the status here?
He's got a
No, Colonel, 14
good
next
little
one.
laceration on his arm here
Gentleman here, blue red shirt.
from the dog bite. Sir, I asked you and gave you multiple chances to comply, and I gave you multiple warnings that you were going to be bit if you did not comply, and you still could decided not to, sir. That's why we went ahead and deployed the dog.
But now what's going on here is I've compounded. That's
Good boy, Theo.
that's fine.
That's a good boy.
That's fine, sir. If that's what you feel you need to do, you're more than welcome to do so. That is your right under the Constitution. That being said,
Yep, first it's
we're giving
his
you lawful orders,
first
saying,
bite.
Hey, this is what you need to do. Well, that's fine and good, sir.
Hey, I can hang out with him, Kevin, if you want, until medical gets here. That way you can put up
You
Theo or...
understand that we received.
I appreciate it.
Do you,
Here you go. Here you go.
Alright, sir.
Theo Hill.
Alright, James. We got medical here.
I'm not arguing with this guy. We got shots fired calls from you guys, so I'm not. No, sir. No, sir. When we received that shots are being
Hey,
fired from
sit.
three people on dirt bikes, I have every right to address you how I need to address you. So you make your decision on how it wants to go. Sue me if you want.
3447 to the units chasing the third bike. Did we manage to catch the individual? Negative. 10-4.
Theo Hill.
It's gonna be a grey dirt bike. It's gonna be one person on it. It's gonna be dark green shorts.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good job, baby. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, Theo. That's a good boy, Theo.
Sir, you see this dog?
That's a good boy, Theo.
You see this dog, sir? Buddy.
Hey,
Fucking stupid dog away from me.
Theo, sit.
Oh,
So you just added assault to a peace officer to your charges today,
I
correct?
kicked at him. I didn't kick him. Don't want him. I don't want him near me.
That's assault.
2003 traffic. Postal
I didn't
385.
touch him. How's that assault?
Red and color SUV. Occupied times 1.
No, that's no.
That being said,
Man,
the reason
hey.
I chose taser deployment,
I missed all
I didn't know
that.
what he had on. Didn't know if he was armed or not, but I felt the lethal option was more appropriate than a lethal
Trooper,
option.
come on, man. Do what you gotta do. Quit holding me here in front of this dog, man. Get me away from this dog. Okay, are you trying to intimidate me with the dog? I'm already in cuffs. Get me away from the dog. Well, then get me away from him. Okay, so now you're gonna start cussing and being an asshole. Is there someone else that can take care of me or put me in a cruiser? Get me the hell away from you, because now you're being an asshole.
Alright, I'm gonna see if this is gonna.
Well, you're gonna start cussing at me and raising your voice. You're being
Yes,
an
sir.
asshole.
Hey, Theo Hill.
I don't care about none of that.
Holy shit! Hey, sir, on the bike.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, can you do me a favor? And if you don't mind, sir, please go the other way. We got an extra scene right now. Don't want nobody to get hurt. Don't want nobody to get injured. Do that for me.
Could I go around these guys on the bicycle or no?
No, sir. No, sir.
Oh,
you
okay.
cannot. I'd advise you just to find another route. All right.
Is there anywhere they around?
Yep. Go down the bridge. You can take a left and come down one of the side streets. Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right. You have a good day, sir.
Also, David, just got new information. Be advised, the officers
Hey,
who were
who's-
getting shot at are saying that it was actually a paintball gun.
Whose guy is this? Who's primary, I guess?
But they didn't know that at the time because it
I
sounded
know
like
you saw. I was.
Right. I don't know. I was secondary to roll up. So who's the primary?
Can I sit up now?
Just stay laid down for right now. Once we get you on the stretcher, we can sit down. Okay?
Well, decent so she take primary being they were shot at.
No. Sit down. Lay down.
I want to sit up.
Can we get the taser prongs moved out of this guy here?
Hey, really quickly, while we're trying to figure out who's primary, we do got another suspect that's over there with a medic that doesn't have an officer over there. So, can we get somebody with him?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's my apologies. I was trying to find out who's primary because he's about to transport.
Oh, A-firm.
Hey, Nicholson, get with Caruso. He's gonna be transporting soon.
Can I sit up, please?
Hey, Caruso, how's he doing?
He's doing good. He's got a fairly deep laceration to the left forearm, so we're gonna get him to the hospital and get him stitched. But other than that, he's stable.
Alrighty.
So, taser prong removal guy, if you want, you can just kind of BLS that.
Alright, yeah, I'm pretty sure they're just gonna take him down to the station themselves.
Okay. Yeah, you should be fine. Okay, I'm gonna grab the stretcher and then we'll get him pumped.
Hey,
Alright, I appreciate it. Hey, but again, I wish we didn't have to stick the canine on you, but in the future when officers are asking you and, telling you to listen, let's make sure we do that, alright?
You're mean. Leave me alone.
Sir, I tried to talk with you. I tried to
2045 information request. We got the third suspect, Richard.
Caruso.
Yes.
I got a male who has
hey, you don't have to cry, but
Yes, what?
everything's gonna be alright.
barbs. Electric bar.
Yeah, he said
Oh,
county BLS is on.
Yeah, I'm gonna just county
Everything's
BLS
gonna
that
be
one so I
alright,
can
bud.
shoot this guy.
Alright, cool.
Yeah,
Give it one mic and BLS will be here.
Alright, beautiful. Thank you.
Right, bud. We're gonna help you up onto the stretcher here, okay?
Okay.
So here's your chance to stand up.
Hey, what's up?
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll get you to lay down on this. There you go. Oh, you took both. Nice.
Oops.
That's okay. Alright, and we'll prop up that head just a little bit first, make you comfortable.